Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy and I'm back for another video. And for today's video, we're going to do unboxing again. But not really in a box. They're in a pouch. Coach sent me the items that I ordered in this packaging. So it's not in a box. If you want to see what's inside these 3 pouches, please keep on watching. This packaging were all from coachoutlet.com, and this one I ordered directly from the website. These 2 packaging, I was able to order it Coach Outlet website, but through the link that the Facebook group posted. So the story behind that is they were able to see the bags or wallets. If you browse on the Coach Reserve, you cannot see these products. But when you click one item and then scroll down, you will say like suggestion, you may like this product. So you will see different the different products that Coach Outlet has, but you will not be able to see it on their regular website. I don't know if I'm making sense, but anyway. So what I did is follow the link that the Coach members posted on the group, on the Facebook group. And then I log into my account, so I was able to use the Rakuten at the same time. So I'll log in my Coach account and log into Rakuten. I even received an email from Coach Factory saying that I ordered a lot. I exceeded the limit and it will not, like, they will remove some of the items in my cart. Some of them were shipped already, but I think there's 2 more that probably they canceled or still waiting to be shipped. It took a while for them to ship these products, but let's head on to this first item. I think there's only 1 item in here. Pouch. Yep. So right now we have a little sun, and I'm able to film this with some natural light. So yes, there's only 1 item in this pouch. Let's open it. I think, yeah, this is the first item that they sent me, and then the rest were 2 to 3 weeks before they ship it. So all the items I purchased were 70% off. Oh, it looks brand new from the factory. Oh, I like this one. When I saw this, I said add it in my cart. So these are 2-piece card case. Yes, I like it. I like the look, but I think you can remove this. Yeah, you can detach the 1 piece from the other with this ring and just press it and you can remove it. Here you go. So if you don't want to use both, or you don't want them together, you can remove it. Or if you want to put them together, then just put it back in. So the first card case looks like this. It has a zipper opening, has Coach logo, and 1 card slot at the back. The inside is fabric. I think, what color is this one? It doesn't say what color, but it's more like a mauve color. It looks like a little mauve to me, but I'm not 100% sure what color is this. Pretty much it's showing its true color on the camera. I'm using a natural light, partly natural light here, ring light here. So the other card case looks like this. I like this one. This got me interested with this product because I think I can put more cards in this card case. So it has that Turnlock closure. Open it. Oh, it's leather inside, and has that Coach engraved there, and yeah, it's all leather inside. That's nice. Look at the floral detail. It also has that Coach, has the Coach name there, and at the back it looks just like this. The style number for this card case is 86407. Original price is 150 US dollars. I got it for $45. So that's it for our first item, the card case. Coach Floral Print card case. I like this. I really like this one. I don't use full-size wallets anymore because I tend to use smaller bags. So I'm really liking this one. I can put cash and like coins in here and put my cards in here. So it's really nice. I like it. Now let's open the bigger pouch because it's part of that order, I think. So yeah, let's open it. I like how easy you open these pouches are. So we have 2 items in here. Yeah, 2 items. Okay, let's open this one first. So this is the RAKUTEN fold over card case. So this is RAKUTEN, so it's a part of the 1941 collection, maybe. Yeah, I'm seeing a 1941 dust right here. So let's open it. This is nice. It comes with a dust bag. I like that. And oh, this is cute. This is nice. This is nice. I forgot about this one. Here's the fold over card case. I like the color. I was trying to order the pink one, but someone has it in their cart, so I wasn't able to do that. This is really a good price. Originally this is $99 and I got it for $29.70. Style number for this one is 31865. RAKUTEN fold over card case in the color sky. So let's open it. I think this is black pewter hardware. And when you open it, it says there's 4 card slot on this side, and there's a zipper pocket with fabric lining, and then there's another pocket. It's very roomy. The inside looks like a midnight navy or a cadet, but more like a midnight navy. And at the back it says there Coach. I don't know if you can see it. Coach in here engraved, and then a slip pocket. So I really like this one. It's small enough, not big, not too small, just perfect size for card case. And I can, like, if I'm on the go, I just want to put it in my pocket. This is really a good size. So let's see, put it in my back pocket. It can fit. It's nice. It can fit really well. So that's it for our fold over card case. Now next, let's do this one. Oh, it's small. This is small. I didn't expect. Not really small. It's tiny. It is tiny. So I didn't expect it to be this tiny. This is a Tabby bag. Yeah, Tabby Crossbody in heather gray. Heather gray. I think this is the black copper. Seems like this is the black copper hardware. Let's see. Let's remove it from the packaging. Looks brand new from the factory. Remove. Okay, so it has a crossbody strap. Let's remove that. So here it is. It's the Tabby crossbody in heather gray. I have a bigger Tabby, the shoulder bag, that has the same color as this one. It has a black copper hardware with the signature C, and it's magnetic closure. When you open it, it has a microfiber. Yes, and there's a coach grip. And this part is leather, which is connected to the front flap. So let's see if the phone will fit. I have an iPhone XX Max, and let's see if it will fit. It does fit. It looks like that. And then let's put in this card case. Oh, okay. Let's remove that. Put this card case. So that's what it looks like. Phone and a card case, the fold over card case. And let's try the other card case. That's what it looks like, and I cannot close it. Let's just put the other card case in here. Then if we close it, it would not. It would not close. I cannot put a lot of stuff in here. Might return this. I don't know. Or maybe my kids can use it. I cannot close it. Why is that? Maybe change the position of the phone. Okay. Yeah, I cannot close it. Cannot put my phone in there. I just have my wallet. This magnetic closure is a little finicky. It would not really close right away. But anyway, so you saw already how little can fit inside. Only few items can fit inside. So the second flap has a snap closure. Let's try this card case, and let's close it. It's, yeah, I don't know how much items you can put in here. Not a lot for sure. I'm not liking it. I bring a lot of stuff, so this would not this would not work. So let's look at the side. The side is suede. Yeah, even the bottom is suede. It doesn't have a hang tag. I'm surprised. Usually Coach always have hang tags, so I'm not sure about this one. Does it come with a hang tag? If anybody owns a crossbody Tabby, please let me know if it does come with a hang tag. If it does, I'm missing one. It comes with a wristlet though. You can use this as a wristlet. It comes with a cute chain shoulder strap. It's really cute and lightweight. See that? So let's do a try on this bag. So since it's a crossbody, let's try it as a crossbody. It's cute. It is cute as a crossbody, but I cannot really fit a lot of items in here. It's a shoulder bag. Here you go. That's how it looks like. It slides off my shoulder, but yeah, that's what it looks like as a shoulder bag. And a crossbody. So most likely this will be used as a crossbody. This is the Tabby Crossbody in heather gray. Now let's proceed to our last pouch. I think I have 3 items in here. Yeah, I have 3 items in here. So 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, these are not bags or wallet. By the way, the Tabby Crossbody, its original price is $250 US. I got it for $75. Style number 76199. So from the other pouch, I got 3 items. First item is this. This is the signature chain ring. Yeah, this is the signature chain ring. This is, I got it for $16. Let's see, I don't know my size. I know it's probably 8 or 9, but I'm not 100% sure because I don't normally buy rings or jewelry. I don't know if you can see it. So this is the signature C Coach ring. How do we remove it from there? It looks tiny. It looks tiny. Let's try it on. Hopefully it will fit. So, I don't know if you can see it. That's what it looks like. The signature C. Simple but cute. It fits. We'll make it work. We'll wear it for now. And then the next item is this. This is a sunglass case. Yeah, I think it is a sunglass case. So it has that. I'm not sure if this is for men or for women, but I took this sunglass case. There you go. So this is the signature sunglass case in the color charcoal black. It has a Turnlock closure, and the inside is just for your sunglasses. I think I have one Coach sunglasses that doesn't have a case, so I'll put this one. Probably I'll leave this in the car, and if you want to put it in your bag, like hanging, that's a good option too. Has that leather strap, and it's just a signature canvas. So this is the side, the back. Style number for this one is F73661. Original price is $98. I got it for $24. So that's our sunglass case. Now let's proceed to our last item. Last item for you guys. I have been wanting this charm. I mean this design of charm. Not this particular color, but the feather charm from Coach. But I wasn't able to buy one on sale. So this is the multi-feather leather bag charm in pale green multi. So that's the color of this charm. It has silver hardware. I like it. First feather charm from Coach. Oh, so this charm, this feather charm has like mini rivets on the edge, while this one doesn't have. It's cute. I like it. Let's put it with Tabby. There you go. Big charm first, tiny bag. So that's it, guys. That's our video for today, our unboxing and pouching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!